Hello, my dear student. How are you? I think you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also too well. Today I discuss about higher mathematics, chapter 8.3. Now start. We are first we draw x o x prime. X o x prime, y o y prime. Already we all know first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Any point first quadrant p x y, x axis are y coordinate. So the coordinate of p x y, we draw p n perpendicular o x. Therefore, we can get triangle O P N. In triangle OPN, angle XOP equal theta, where theta is the acute angle, and angle PNO equal 90 degree, and OP equal R, left. This is a hypotenuse. ON equal X is the base or adjacent side. PN equal height or perpendicular side. So we get sine theta equal Pn divided OP. That means height divided hypotenuse equal y divided r. Similarly, cosine theta equal OP divided Pn equal r divided y. Cos theta equal ON divided OP. That means base divided hypotenuse equal x by r. Then cos theta equal ON divided OP equal x divided r. Height divided base. Sec theta equal OP divided ON equal r divided x. Tan theta equal PN divided ON equal y divided x. That means perpendicular divided base. Similarly, cot theta equal ON divided PN. That means x divided y. Base divided height. Again, we draw Pn produce Q. So Pn equal NQ and join OQ. Therefore, we get ONQ a triangle. A triangle OQN, OQ equal R left hypotenuse, NQ equal minus Y equal height, ON equal X equal base. Therefore, sine minus theta. Because minus theta, this is the fourth quadrant, so this angle negative. Sine minus theta equal NQ divided OQ equal NQ, that means minus Y divided R equal minus Y divided R, that means perpendicular divided hypotenuse equal sine theta. So minus sine theta. So we get sine minus theta equal minus sine theta, cosec minus theta equal minus cosec theta, tan minus theta equal minus tan theta, cot minus theta equal minus cot theta, cos minus theta equal cos theta, sec minus theta equal sec theta. Now we discuss quadrant. Again we draw x o x prime, y o y prime. This is first quadrant. This is second quadrant. This is third quadrant. This is fourth quadrant. This is, if we consider, this is circle. This is circle, and it is produced. This is circle. This is produced. We know 360 degree. This is the first positive side of x-axis. This is term angle 90 degree. This is term 90 degree. This is term 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So 90, 90, 90, 90. It produces 360 degree angle. This is first quadrant. we denote 90 degree minus theta. Second quadrant 180 degree minus theta, 270 degree minus theta, 360 degree minus theta. Again 90 degree plus theta. So first quadrant passing through second quadrant. So it is 90 degree plus theta. 180 degree plus theta when is passed through second quadrant and going to third quadrant. So we can get 180 degree plus theta. Similarly, 270 degree plus theta passing through say third quadrant and its position fourth quadrant, and 360 degree plus theta, that is 360 degree plus theta, and we can get first quadrant. If we solving this mathematics in the chapter 8.3, we know three techniques. Number one, all trigonometric ratio n into pi by 2 plus minus theta. Trigonometric ratio into n into pi by 2 plus minus theta. Where this we see that this is two part. Acute angle, there is two part, n into pi by 2 plus minus theta. Theta is always acute angle. Number two, n. What is n? N pi by 2 into n plus minus theta. The coefficient of pi by 2 into n. When n is even, there is no change. There is no change. Number three, when n is odd number and it change and change and sin theta alternative cos theta. When sin theta n, if n odd number, then we can get sin theta to cos theta or cos theta to sin theta. Sec theta alternative cosec theta. If n is odd number, then we can get sec theta equal cosec or cosec theta equal sec. Tan theta equal cot theta. When tan theta it changes cot theta, and cot theta when we get a tan theta. It's clear? Now we solving mathematics. This math chapter 8.3, number 7. We can get page number 202. Page number 202. 7 number 1. 7 in 1. Find the values sin theta. Find the value of sin 7 pi. Sin 7 pi. Here we solve. Here sin 7 pi. First we convert. This is angle n into pi by 2 plus minus theta. So we taking plus or minus. Anyway, if we get plus, if we take minus. First we take plus sin 7 pi. That means we can write 14 pi by 2 plus 0 degree. Where is 0 degree? Acute angle. 7 pi equal 14 pi by 2. So sin 14 pi by 2 plus 0 degree. We see that where 14 pi by 2 plus 0, position of quadrant, which quadrant? We get, this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. First quadrant, all functions are positive. Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Second position, that means all positive. Second quadrant, sine positive and cosec positive. Sine positive and inverse cosec positive. Third quadrant, tan positive or cot positive. Cos fourth quadrant, cos positive or sec positive. We see that all first quadrant all positive, second quadrant sine and cosec positive, otherwise negative. Third quadrant tan and cot positive, otherwise negative. Fourth quadrant cos and sec positive, otherwise negative. So we solve this. 14 pi by 2 plus 0 degree. What is the coefficient of pi by 2? Here we see that 14 coefficient pi by 2. Pi by 2 coefficient of 14. So 14. So we calculate, this is first pi by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, attack 14. This is second quadrant. But here is the sign plus. So it pass through going to third quadrant. So if here is negative, then it stays second quadrant. But here we see that plus, so it's second quadrant passing through third quadrant. Third quadrant sign negative, so we get sign negative. We observe that pi by 2 coefficient 14. 14 is a even number, so we can write sign no change and we get sign 0 degree. What is the value of sin 0 degree? Sin 0 degree value 0. So this is the solution 0. Again, another method we solve. Number 2. Cos 11 pi by 2. 11 pi by 2. Find the value of cos 11 pi by 2. So we solve this. First we convert 11 pi by 2 90 degree plus theta. So we can write cos already pi by 2. That means 11 into pi by 2. There is no change. Plus 0 degree or minus 0 degree. Plus 0 degree. So we see that quadrant. This is cos pi by 2. Pi by 2 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is third quadrant. But plus, so it passed to fourth quadrant. But fourth quadrant is cos negative or positive. We know in first quadrant cos always positive. So plus. So there is plus. Then we see that there is change or no change. Pi by 2 coefficient 11. 11 is odd number, so cos change. So cos change, it will be sine 0 degree. Sine 0 degree, what is the value of sine 0 degree? 0. So this is the equation solved, and this is the solution. Again, another method we solve. Number 4, 7, 4. Tan minus 23 pi by 6. 23 minus 10, 23 pi by 6 equal tan minus theta. We know tan minus theta. Tan minus theta equal minus tan theta. So tan 23 pi by 6 minus tan n into pi by 2 plus theta. What is the value of n? Here 23 divided 6. That means 23 divided 6, 3.83 something. So approximate we can write 4. So 4 pi by 6. There is LCM 4 into 6, 4 6 are 24 minus pi. That means 23. If we plus, then we get 25. So we can write in sign minus. Here is the 25. Then we can write plus. So we get 4 pi. We are convert first n into pi by 2 plus minus theta. Then minus tan 4 pi, that means 8 pi by 2 minus pi by 6. Here 8 pi by 4 pi by 4 pi equal 8 pi by 2. Then minus 8 pi by 2. We see that who is this quadrant? 8 pi. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is attack fourth quadrant. It's attack fourth quadrant. But here is the minus. So no passing through. Here is this fourth quadrant. If sign plus, then it pass through first quadrant. But here is the sign minus, so it stay in fourth quadrant. But fourth quadrant then negative. Here is negative, then we can get negative to negative negative. That means minus minus it makes plus. So this is plus sign. Here is the pi by 2 coefficient 8. 8 is the even number. So it no change. Therefore we get tan pi by 6. Tan pi by 6, that means tan 30 degree. The value of tan 30 degree 1 by root 3. So this is the answer. Another math we solve. Cos number 7 in 8. Cos minus 25 by 6. Cos minus 25 by 6. We can write cos minus theta. We get minus cos theta or plus cos theta. We know cos minus theta equal plus cos theta. So we get then cos 25 pi by 6. First we convert this value two part. n into pi by 2 plus minus theta. Okay, here 25 divided 6. That means 4 point something. 25 divided 6. Then we can get 4.16. 16 that. So we can write 4.1, that means approximate 4, not a 5. Okay, we can let us suppose 4.16, that means 4. So we can write cos, this is 4 pi minus pi by 6. LCM 4. This is 4 LCM 4 6 24 minus pi, that is 23, but here is 25. So here is sign plus. LCM 4 6. So LCM 6 into 4 pi, that means 24 pi plus pi. So we can get 25 pi by 6. Here we see that is quadrant. Which is quadrant substitution? This is 4 pi. That means we can another line 4 pi, that means 8 pi by 2 plus 5 by 6. Here 8 pi. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is attack fourth quadrant, but here sign plus. So it passed through and going to first quadrant. First quadrant cos positive because here is the all positive sign. So plus cos change or no change. Coefficient of pi by 2. Here we see that 8. So it is even number. So we can get no change and we can write cos pi by 6. Cos pi by 6. That means cos 30 degree. What is the value of cos 30 degree? Cos 30 degree value root 3 by 2. This is the solution. Cos pi by 6. That means cos 30 degree. So we can write root 3 by 2. This is the solution. Y prime, x prime, x and y axis. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. If you can remember one line, you learn to you technique easy. We follow. This is line. All the student take chemistry. All the students take chemistry. All the students take chemistry. Okay. All that is sine, cos, sec, cosec, tan, cot. Positive. So all the student takes chemistry. All positive. Then line student, that is all positive. Student, STUDENT, student. So S sine opposite cosec. So sine opposite cosec. All the student sine. This is second quadrant, positive sine and cosec. All the student take tan, opposite inversely we can write cot. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant. All the students takes, that means tan, opposite cot. First, second, third quadrant, tan cot positive, otherwise negative. Second quadrant, sine cosec positive, otherwise negative. All the students takes chemistry. This is the chemistry. CHEMISTRY, chemistry. So first letter C. So we get cos or opposite sec. Cos opposite sec. All the students takes chemistry. So cos opposite sec. This is the fourth quadrant. Here fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. If we learn by heart, this is line. All the student takes chemistry. We are easy technique remember in mind. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, positive or negative. Okay. Homework. I give some homework. Number 8, page 202. Homework. Page 202, number 8. Okay. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.